Into the field, Sachin Kinali is the world champion. First Paralympic Games in 14.72. So you're pushing 1 16 minutes, that's the benchmark here, to get in that medal conversation. And that's his career.
India, Sachin Kinali.
India's offering in the competition.
Jordan's into the final now of the men's individual recurve open against the gold medal match. Paralympics Singh of India and Lukasz Czichak of Poland.
Strong nine.
Yes, he needs just a 6 or higher, but can he end it in style with a perfect 30? This would be amazing. Oh, he's just out, but it's gold anyway to Harvinder Singh. What a brilliant result for Indian para-archery. That's the very first gold medal for India in para-archery at the Paralympic Games. Well, for the very first time, an Indian stands on top of the podium at a Paralympic Games in para-archery. Been a sensational riser in recent years in the country of India. Medal success in Tokyo. This man won bronze. They've now won 2 medals here. His most dominant performance was left for that gold medal match where he beat Lukasz Czichak by 6 set points to nil.
Just 700 games, 86 around the bar for Sakina's first lift. Good walk from Sakina.
New world record, 100 metres this week already. Well, there is Simran and her guide, Singh Abhay. Season's best 12-17.
Champion, 4-time world champion, top line, this is time here, F51 category this. That one looks a lot better. He's going to mark, he's got the white flag, he's sprinted the tip. That's Arabia, one medal for the recent World Paralympic Championships in Kobe, silver medal for the Asian Games. And 1 point there, like what's going to mark, he's going to get something here. 34.92 is the mark, it's a new Asian record for Arabia, we sprinted the tip. Pranam Surma, with opening set, with 41 years of age, he's the great Asian champion, he's 4 medal this year, 1 medal twice, he may well be enough to put him in the second position. Arabia takes the gold, Surma makes it an India 1-2, Dimitrovic, the former 2-time champion.